Focus Point Facebook Live session today. So I'm Daniel, I'm your host for today. So I'm an optometrist from Focus Point. So with us is a special guest, Joanne, from all the way from Bausch Lomb. She's from the Professional Service Department. So maybe Joanne, can you maybe say hi to our audience today?
Sure. Hi everyone, I'm Joanne. I'm also an optometrist by profession. But first of all, I would like to thank Focus Point for having me today to join your live session. So Daniel, let's get started, shall we?
Yes, certainly. So today's topic is titled Seeing Clearly, Overcoming Astigmatism with Contact Lenses. Okay, so what we'll be talking about today will be more related to the contact lens material as well as astigmatism. So what is astigmatism? In Cantonese we call it Zangong, in Malay we call it Silau. Okay, so before we actually commence, I would like to ask everyone in the audience to pay attention as we will prepare some quiz questions for you today. And because we have very good goodies or freebies to give away. Alright, so for the quiz questions, we will only choose one winner per question. Alright, so they'll be able to win this special Bausch Lomb special kit. Okay, so what this special kit comprises of will be a pair of this ultra contact lenses with moisture seal, plus a biotrue multi-purpose solution, as well as a organizer. Alright, so yes, please be alert when the quiz questions come on. Alright, and also best of luck. So let's start off by talking about the soft contact lens materials and their benefits before we actually go on to the topic of astigmatism. So as I know, Joanne, soft contact lenses are the most common type of contact lenses and accounts for over 85% of the contact lens dispensed nowadays. So there are many types of soft contact lenses and in the market, alright? So what will be the first thing that our contact lens wearers should consider when they go and purchase contact lenses?
Well, if you ask me, Daniel, the first thing that you want to consider when you want to buy contact lens, it would be the contact lens material. Which contact lens material that best to satisfy patient needs? So basically, there are two types of contact lens that is commonly found in the market right now. There are standard hydrogel lenses and also silicone hydrogel lenses.
Okay, so basically standard hydrogel and silicone hydrogel
Yes.
contact lenses as mentioned by Joanne. But what are the major differences between these two types of contact lenses? As well, maybe how do one person decide and choose this type of contact lenses?
Well, before we really go into how do we choose or decide what type of contact lens to be chosen, we have to understand about the eye structure first. So for contact lens wearer, you might want to know that a good oxygen supply is essential to keep your eyes healthy. So there's a pictures over here to show you guys how our eyes look like. So basically this is the eye structure, and if you look closely, there's a very front surface of the eye is called as cornea. So for contact lens wearer, this is where your contact lens is rest and cover the entire cornea. So when you wear contact lens, they basically decrease the amount of oxygen that reaches your eyes from the environment. So when the amount of oxygen is low, your eyes can have lack of oxygen and your eyes become unhealthy. Eventually, it can lead to complications. But symptoms can be so mild sometimes that you might not notice in the initial phase. This include hazy vision, blurriness of vision, and it can get worse from that, which results in red eye, loss of visual clarity, and increase the chances of infections in later phase. So, back to your question just now, Daniel, what is the difference between these two types of lenses? Alright, I can tell you guys the main advantage of silicone hydrogel lenses has over the standard hydrogel lenses. It is the silicone hydrogel lens is highly breathable, which means it allows up to 5 to 8 times more of oxygen to pass through the cornea than the conventional hydrogel contact lens. Which means the silicone hydrogel lenses will make it even better for your eyes in long run and makes the silicone hydrogel lens material perfect choice for those who wants to wear contact lens for longer hours.
Okay, so I see. It seems that from what you have mentioned just now, silicone hydrogel contact lenses is much more beneficial compared to the conventional contact lenses to our wearers. So what about the contact lens replacement plans? Are they all the same?
Well, if you ask me, yes, just now you mentioned, silicone hydrogel lenses are more beneficial to contact lens wear as it promotes better health. But other than soft contact lens material, soft contact lens can be also categorized by their replacement schedule. So basically, they are daily disposable lens, bi-weekly disposable lens, which is a 2-week lenses, and also monthly disposable lenses available in the market. But ultimately, all contact lenses are used to correct common vision problems such as short-sightedness, far-sightedness, and also astigmatism.
Okay, so thank you very much, Joanne, for explaining what are the replacement plans available. Okay, so for the quiz question, we shall only choose one winner per question. So just to remind viewers that they'll be able to win this special Bausch Lomb kit. Okay, so it will comprise of one pair of Ultra with moisture seal contact lenses, plus a bottle of the BioTrue multi-purpose solution, as you can see on the table, okay, as well as a organizer. Alright, so please put your answer whether true or false for this particular statement. Okay, so silicone hydrogel contact lenses allows more oxygen to reach our eyes for better eye health compared to standard hydrogel contact lenses. So if you have listened to what Joanne has mentioned just now, you should be able to answer this question very easily. So please put your answers into the comment box. So our customer service will choose a winner in a short while. Okay, so while we wait for the people to share the answers, maybe we can move on to the next question. Okay, so people now are more educated on what is short-sightedness as well as long-sightedness. Okay, but when they hear about astigmatism, they can get a bit confused at times. So Joanne, maybe you can help explain to our audience today what is exactly astigmatism.
But before we go into astigmatism, let me have a briefly introduction about this short-sightedness and far-sightedness first. So there's a pictures to show you guys over here what is short-sightedness and far-sightedness. So short-sightedness is basically occurs when the eyes grow slightly too long, causes the distant object appear to be blurry, okay? Whereas for far-sightedness is the opposite of near-sightedness. When it occurs, the eyeball is too short, makes it difficult to focus clearly on an object that are near, while distant object appears to be clear. Among cases of far-sightedness might not affect vision at all, but high amounts of far-sightedness may cause object at all distance to be blurry. So let's just have a look on the astigmatism right now. So what I want to share with you guys is that astigmatism is not an eye disease or eye health issue. Alright, astigmatism is actually another common vision condition that affects the way your eyes focus at light entering the eye. So there's another pictures to show you guys here. Alright, compared to normal eye, how does an astigmatic eye looks like? Alright, from the picture you can see an astigmatic eye prevents the entering light rays from meeting on the common focal point that is caused by the irregularities in the shape of a person's cornea, and eventually causes blurred and distorted image. And you might notice that people with astigmatism, they tend to squint their eyes more, okay? And this can, in order to obtain clearer image, especially on the distant vision, if their vision is not corrected. So often, most of the time, this can lead to eye strain and also chronic headache. But thankfully, astigmatism are easily correctable.
Okay, thanks very much, Joanne, for explaining to our audience about what astigmatism is all about. So we have our question from the audience today. So customers asking if he or she have bought 1 month contact lenses, what does that mean? Does that mean that they can use it 30 times or actually 30 days only post opening the packet?
Alright, good questions from the customer. So once the 1 month lenses, that means after you open up the blister, the opening, you can write how many times do you want for it continuously? 30 days. Alright, but after 30 days, you should discard the lens.
Okay, so please hit Joanne's advice on this, okay? So we have a winner for our first quiz question. So his name is Irfa Ahmad Nasli. Okay, Irfa Ahmad Nasli, please put your contact our customer service in the comment box to check how you can redeem your special kit from Bausch Lomb today. Okay, so let's go back to our main topic. Okay, so we have another quiz question to share with our viewers. Again, please answer whether the statement is true or false. Okay, so astigmatism is a common visual condition that can cause blurriness as well as distorted vision. So is this true or false? Okay, please put your answer into the comment box so our customer service will be able to select a winner in a short while. Alright, so yes, while we're waiting for the viewers to put in their answers, so Joanne,
Yes.
so when do we actually need astigmatic correction? Okay, can this contact lens wearer still wear contact lenses for astigmatism?
Yes, of course. If you have astigmatism, you can still wear contact lens. But the thing is, unlike regular contact lens, eye with astigmatism require a special contact lens that helps to compensate the irregular shapes of the cornea, which is the very front surface of the eyes that the pictures has shown in earlier. So this special lens is called toric lenses. So usually soft toric lenses is well tolerated with mild to moderate amount of astigmatism. And for the viewers right now, if you do not know whether you have astigmatism powers or not, we advise you to go to any focus point outlets and look for all these eye care professionals. They will be able to help you to determine the correct power or check whether you have astigmatism power or not.
Yes, true. I agree with you, Joanne. So basically, if you are unsure about your prescription, please do get your eyes tested, and of course, our eye care professional will be happy to consult and determine your prescription. Okay. So for our next discussion is that can someone who have a combined astigmatism with nearsightedness or even farsightedness, can they still wear a toric contact lenses?
Yes, alright. A toric lenses is basically used to correct astigmatism and short-sightedness or far-sightedness. Basically, everything is incorporated in a single piece of contact lens. As such, we are proud to introduce our newly launched products over here, which is the Bausch Lomb Ultra for Astigmatism. So you can see over here, to address the significant unmet needs for those who have astigmatism. Okay, so this Ultra for Astigmatism lenses incorporate with the optic aligned design, which enable the lens to sit well and stable in the eyes. As such, the lens helps to provide more astigmatic patients a contact lens that offers the best quality of vision, especially for those having astigmatism 75 degrees and above.
Okay, so please, like what Joanne has mentioned, if you're ordering any of this ultra contact lenses with astigmatism, so basically look for this label here, this orange label for astigmatism. Okay, so we would like to announce the second winner. So his name is Punky Kansal. Okay, Punky Kansal, please contact our customer service and please remember to like, share and tag your friends. Okay, so please contact our customer service to see how you can redeem your special gift. Okay, so we move on to the next quiz question. Okay, so with this question, you have to state yes or no. Okay, Ultra with moisture seal contact lenses for astigmatism is the latest silicone hydrogel contact lenses in the optical market that can be used to correct astigmatism. Is that a yes or a no? Please put your answers into the comment box as quickly as possible. So if you listen up earlier on to what Joanne has said, you'll be able to answer this question very easily. Okay, so back to our main topic. So Joanne, it's amazing to know that I think our viewers are very interested in this particular product, Bausch Lomb Ultra for Astigmatism. Okay, so can you share a bit more information about these contact lenses with our viewers?
Sure, I'd love to. Alright, so first of all, our Bausch Lomb Ultra for Astigmatism contact lens that you can see over here is a monthly silicone hydrogel lenses that is highly breathable. So as mentioned earlier, a breathable silicone lens material allows a healthy amount of oxygen to reach cornea for safe and healthy lens wear. So other than that, our Ultra for Astigmatism contact lens features moisture seal technology that you can see over here. So from the name itself, you will know moisture seal. Moisture means water, seal means lock. So basically the water is locked inside the contact lens. So this moisture seal technology is actually designed to cope with the demands of modern life, particularly anyone who spend long hours on working on the computer or digital devices.
Wow, contact lenses for a digital user.
Yes.
Wow. So I think really we do need such a product nowadays since we are living in the digital age.
Right.
Yeah. So furthermore, majority of us are now working at home due to the CMCO in certain parts of the country. Okay. So Joanne, maybe can you explain a bit more on how they can use this digital devices and how it affects the contact lens wear experience they may have, and how does this Bausch Lomb Ultra with moisture seal can help them?
Okay, so before that, let me ask you a question, David. So you blink all the times, right?
Yes.
But have you ever wondered how many times that you should blink in a minute?
Maybe perhaps you can share with our viewers today.
Sure. Well, actually, it has been reported that the average person blink is about 15 to 20 times per minute. So, however, did you know that the long hours of using computers, smartphones, or tablets, the one that you're holding over here, Daniel, can make you blink about 5 times a minute only. That means you tend to blink lesser. So based on research, this reduced blinking rates can contribute to your contact lens to dry out easily and other unpleasant symptoms such as blurry vision, eye strain, and also tired eyes. So of course, it would be ideal to cut down the amount of time you spend in front of screen each day. That is not always realistic because nowadays people can easily spend more than 10 to 12 hours working while wearing contact lenses. So fortunately, Bausch Lomb recognized this problem and responded by creating a contact lens with extreme comfort by incorporating the moisture seal technology over here in our Ultra lenses that maintain 95% of the moisture for 16 hours. Meaning that the Ultra lenses does not dry out easily, alright, to keep your eyes fresh and lubricant all day long. And also offers quality vision throughout all day long to especially anyone who spend long hours on the computer or digital devices.
Thank you very much, Joanne, for the comprehensive answers. Okay, so we would like to announce the second winner of the day, and her name is Jasmine Liu. Okay, so if you do have any questions, please do ask. We will answer them shortly. Okay. So let's get back to our quiz questions. Alright. So for those viewers who have just joined, we have many quiz questions for you, and we will choose a winner per question. So these winners will get a special Bausch Lomb special kit that comprises of one pair of this Ultra with moisture seal contact lenses. Okay, and they will also get a multi-purpose bio-true solution, and as well as a special gift, which is the organizer. Alright, so please put your answers in the comment box in a short while. Please state whether this is a true or false statement. Okay, long-term computer usage can actually decrease the eye blinkage rate, resulting in eye dryness. So please put true or false. So again, if you have heard what Joanne has mentioned earlier, I believe you should be able to answer this question very easily. Okay, please put true or false. Okay, so without further ado, maybe we come back to the main topic of the day. So if a person doesn't have any astigmatism, okay, but only with short-sightedness or long-sightedness only, can they still use this particular contact lenses?
Okay, if you do not have astigmatism, no worries. We have Ultra Moisture Seal technology with sphere power only, especially for those who have short-sightedness or far-sightedness. So basically, you can see there's a lenses over here. The top one has this orange labeling, and this is actually for those who have astigmatism. But for those without astigmatism, you can still go for the ultra lenses, which is the bottom one. But without astigmatism, there's no labeling at all. So if you're very keen to purchase this product, or you want to try out these products when you purchase from any Focus Point outlet or from a Focus Point website, always remember to select the correct products, yeah? So with astigmatism, always go for the one with the orange labeling, alright? Stated over here for astigmatism. For those without astigmatism, you can still wear ultra lenses, but there will be no labeling for the normal version. So no worries, both lens version over here with or without astigmatism come with the same moisture seal technology to maintain 95% of its moisture for a full 16 hours.
Okay, so good. Thanks very much for explaining to the audience today about this particular Bausch Lomb Ultra with moisture seal contact lenses. Okay, so we would like to proceed on to the next quiz question of the day. So please answer if the statement is true or false. Okay, Ultra with moisture seal for astigmatism helps to maintain 95% of its moisture for 16 hours, which means that it's best for anyone who spends many working hours on computers as well as digital devices. So please put true or false. Okay, I just repeat the question again just in case I'm talking too fast. So Ultra with moisture seal with astigmatism helps maintain 95% of its moisture for 16 hours, which means it's best for anyone who spends many working hours on computers or digital devices. So please put true or false into the comment box below. So our customer service will choose a winner in a short while. So while we wait for the audience to put in the answers, let's get back to our topic. So basically, to all our viewers, as mentioned by Joanne earlier, if you are experiencing any dry or tired eyes, especially when you're working on the computers or digital devices with your contact lens on, you might want to try out this Ultra with moisture seal contact lenses. Okay, so Focus Point is actually having a special promotion right now. So for any purchase of these 2 boxes of Ultra with moisture seal with astigmatism, you'll be able to get an extra pair of contact lenses. Okay, so on top of that, you also get this BioTrue contact lens solution. Okay, so for free. Okay, so this is a total of 7 pairs of contact lenses for the price of 360 ringgit. Okay, so if we calculate it per day, it's only 1 ringgit and 80 cents per day. So it's very affordable.
Wow, it's such an attractive promotion you are having, Daniel.
Yes. So please visit our Focus Point outlet stores, to inquire about this special promotion. So it's just 1 ringgit and 80 cents per day.
Yes.
Yeah. So it's unbelievable, but very true. Okay. So find out more from our Focus Point practices. Okay. So we would like to announce the 4th and 5th winner of the day. So the 4th one is Naksi Ray Yusof, okay, and Nina Amanila. Okay, so congratulations to these 2 people, Naksi and Nina. Please contact our customer service at the comment box below. Okay, so to see how to redeem your gifts. Okay, so let's get back to our main topic again. So we would like to ask this next quiz question, whether the statement is true or false. Okay, so for every purchase of 2 boxes of Ultra with moisture seal for astigmatism, you will get an extra pair of contact lenses with 1 bottle of 120ml of BioTrue multi-purpose solution for free. So is this true or false? Okay, I just repeat, for every purchase of 2 boxes of Ultra with moisture seal for astigmatism, you will get 1 extra pair of contact lenses with one bottle of 120 ml via through multi-purpose solution for free. So please put your answers into the comment box. Our customer service again will choose the winner in a short while. So let's get back to our topic, Joanne.
Sure.
So maybe you can share more on the benefits of this Ultra Moisture Seal for astigmatism with our viewers today.
Sure, Daniel. So other than what I've shared just now on the benefits of this contact lens, so this Ultra for astigmatism lenses also help to improve your vision in low light environment. So many of times we found that people complain difficult seeing, especially when they drive at night. Glare with these oncoming headlights from cars, especially in dim light environment. So as you can see from the pictures, all the glares and halos that you are seeing when you drive. So basically, trouble seeing at night can make it hard to drive safely. So another benefit of this contact lens is the visual clarity it provides. Okay, this Ultra for astigmatism lens is designed with HD, which is also known as high definition optics, which helps to reduce halos and glare in low light conditions, meaning that your vision will be even better, the contrast will be even better in low light situation, including night driving.
Okay, so thanks very much, Joanne, for sharing all these benefits with our viewers today. So please, if you got any questions, please put into the comment box. We will be very happy, myself and Joanne as well, to answer any of your questions you might have. Okay, so we will also ask another quiz question right now. So please put the answer whether the statement is true or false. Okay, so Bausch Lomb Ultra with moisture seal for astigmatism comes with high definition contact lenses, and this will help reduce the halos and glare even in low light conditions. Is this true or false? Okay, I just repeat. Bausch Lomb Ultra with moisture seal for astigmatism with high definition contact lenses helps reduces halos and glare, and this will even in the low light conditions. Yeah, so please put true or false. Okay, so our customer service will pick up the winner in a short while. So let's go back to where we left off, Joanne.
Sure.
So wow, okay, we hope that the viewers have learned quite a lot today, and of course especially on the silicone hydrogel, the astigmatism, as well as this eye blinking mechanism that Joanne has mentioned, and so forth. So, but I believe our viewers might still have some questions, still wondering, how do they actually pick a good pair of contact lenses?
Well, if you ask me, Daniel, if you want to pick a good pair of contact lenses, or if you want to start wearing contact lenses, the very first thing that important for you to do is get your eye checked. Okay, for those who don't know your power, all right, and for those maybe who haven't did any checkup for the past year or for more than 1 year, always remember to go to any focus point outlet and look for all these eye care professionals. They will be able to consult and check your eyes, determine your correct lens power before you select any contact lens. Then pick a suitable replacement schedule based on your lifestyle. So as mentioned, there are daily disposable lenses, bi-weekly contact lenses, which is the 2 weeks lenses, and also monthly contact lenses. So always opt for the product that gives you the features. For example, maintain 95% of moisture for a full 16 hours to keep your eyes moisture and lubricant all day long. Like our Ultra lenses over here, which is also the latest silicone hydrogel lens in the market.
So thanks very much again, Joanne, to state how our viewers can actually choose the better contact lenses. Okay, so since Ultra with moisture seal for astigmatism is a monthly contact lens, as you mentioned, okay, can you share with our viewers on how they can properly take care of a monthly replacement contact lenses?
Well, looking after your contact lens properly, alright, is very important because this will ensure your eyes are not at risk of developing any infections. Okay, so despite all the various horror stories about contact lens in the news, the but the chances of getting infection in contact lens wearing is actually low if you practice or maintain good hygiene. So what do I mean by good hygiene? Practice good hygiene. It means proper cleaning, storing, and disinfecting the contact lenses. So how do we clean contact lenses? Alright, you can always go for the most convenient and hassle-free form of contact lens solution, which we call it as multi-purpose solution. So over here, alright, this is the BioTrue multi-purpose solution. Alright, you can try this solution as this solution is all in one formula and which helps to clean, rinse, disinfectant, and store your contact lens without you having to purchase multiple products. Okay, so let's just have a look. How do we actually clean the contact lens properly? The very first thing to do, a lot of you might forget about that, is to wash your hands. Thank you, Daniel, for helping me. Okay, and make sure that your hands are dry before you insert or remove your contact lens. So basically, this basic hand hygiene will ensure your eyes have no troubles when wearing contact lenses. Secondly, after you clean your hands, place your contact lens in your hand palm, alright? And then place at least 3 to 5 drops of this BioTrue multi-purpose solution on top of the contact lens. Then you rub it gently, okay? Both sides of the contact lens you must rub, and do not use your nails, alright, to clean your contact lens because this can easily tear your contact lenses. Then what you should do next, remember to rinse each side of the contact lenses with BioTrue multi-purpose solution. Always remember, rubbing and rinsing is the most effective way to clean your contact lenses. Okay, then you store your contact lens in a clean contact lens cases, which is provided in here, alright? Then soak your contact lens at least 4 hours or maybe overnight, okay? Always remember to use fresh solution. Never top up your solution, okay? Then, to wash your contact lens case, use BioTrue multi-purpose solution to clean, alright? And avoid tap water because this can contaminate your contact lens, alright? And replace, if can, always replace your contact lens case more regularly, alright? And if, for viewers out there, and if you're wearing contact lens, some of you might experience this stinging and burning sensation when you insert your contact lens. Alright, if this happens to you, we recommend you to try on our BioTrue multi-purpose solution because this multi-purpose solution is formulated to match the pH of human tears, that it won't sting your eyes.
Okay, so thank you very much, Joanne, for explaining to our viewers step by step on how to take care of monthly contact lenses. Okay, so while waiting for the viewers to reply the answers, okay, we will have another question for you guys. So if for those who have missed out on the earlier chance to win, so you still have a chance now. So please put your answers into the comment box below to get this special gift. Alright, so the question is, you can buy a Bausch Lomb Ultra with Moisture Seal for astigmatism contact lenses at any of the focus point outlets nationwide. So is this true or false? Okay, you can buy this Bausch Lomb Ultra with Moisture Seal for astigmatism contact lenses at any of our focus point practices nationwide. Is this true or false? Please put your answer into the comment box below, so our customer service will be able to pick a winner. Alright, so okay, so I believe some of the viewers might still have coming up with a lot of questions. Okay, maybe they still have some doubts. Okay, we have originally collected some of the questionnaires beforehand, so maybe we can post here to them. Okay, so can they reuse the multi-purpose solution in the storage case? I believe you have answered that already, but maybe for our late viewers, maybe he can answer again.
Okay, sure, no problem. So always remember, do not reuse the solution that is in your lens case. Every time when you wear your contact lens, after you soak your contact lens, remember the next time when you want to use, always use fresh solution. Okay, always use fresh solution.
Okay, so thank you very much, Joanne. So we would like to announce another 3 winners that we have for today. The names are Lydia Wong, Cahaya Nuris, as well as Kasih Cassandra. Okay, so congratulations to you winners. So please contact our customer service on how to redeem this special Bausch Lomb kit. Alright, so let's get back to the questionnaires. Okay, Joanne. So can viewers, if they wear contact lenses, can they actually wear contact lenses during their showering or swimming?
Well, if you ask me, I do not, strongly do not encourage or advise to wear contact lens while swimming or showering, because all this water, they contain germs or kind of bacteria that is not seen by our eyes. And you do not want to expose your contact lens into all these kind of germs that is harmful to your eyes.
Yeah.
So if you really want to go swimming or showering, please always remember to remove your contact lenses.
So please heed Joanne's advice on this, because this is very important. Okay, we don't want your eyes to get infected. Okay, so we got a few more questions. I think it's most likely from the ladies. Okay, so can they use hairspray when they are wearing contact lenses?
Well, if you want to use hairspray, you can. Just make sure every time when you use hairspray or maybe perfume, alright, all these chemical that contains alcohol, when you spray on yourself, always remember to close your eyes fully, because all these chemical ingredient in all this kind of hairspray, perfume can actually mess up with your contact lens. Remember to close your eyes fully when you spray on yourself.
Okay, so good answer. So the next question, I believe, is also from ladies. Can they use makeup while wearing contact lenses?
What a good question, because I do wear makeups, I do wear contact lens. The ladies, always remember, when you want to put makeup, always put on your contact lens first, because you do not want your mascara, all this kind of makeups to mess up with your contact lens. And when you want to remove your makeups, always remember to remove your contact lens first. After that, only you remove your makeup.
Okay, good answer. So the next question we have today is that how long can one person wear a pair of contact lenses for?
Well, Daniel, if you ask me that, I wouldn't set a time frame whether how long or how much times longer that you can wear contact lens in a day. Okay, the very first thing that you want to find out about this, the very first thing that you want to do is to look for eye care professional first in any focus point outlets. Alright, to determine the eye health status, alright, because every person have a different kind of conditions that we do not know. Okay, so look for eye care professionals, alright, to determine how much times that you can wear a contact lens in a day.
Okay, great answer. So, okay, so the next one, how long will it take to adapt to contact lenses?
Well, it really depends on everyone for this, right? But usually, soft contact lens is easily adapt. It can easily adapt it. Some people takes 1 day, some people takes a week. So it's about there. The duration is about there. So from 1 day to a week. So it really depends. But some of you for first time wearing, you might require a little bit for first time wearing now. You get panic a bit. But after some times, when you're used to it, you should be okay.
Okay, yeah. So basically, if you have any doubts, please do visit our focus point practices to get consultation from our eye care professionals. Okay, so that's very important, because contact lenses is medical devices, as mentioned by Joanne earlier. Okay, so we still have one more question. So basically, if the contact lens drop out, so can they still use tap water to clean it?
Alright, always remember, never use tap water, alright, to clean your contact lens, to clean your contact lens case, whatever is it, don't use tap water, again because all this water contain bacteria, these are germs, alright, you do not want to expose your contact lens to all these kind of microorganisms that is harmful to your eyes, alright, and do not use saliva, alright, okay, if you want to clean your contact lens, always use a multi-purpose solution to clean your contact lens if you really accidentally drop your contact lens on the floor. Okay.
Okay, so thank you very much, Joanne, for all your explanations today. So I believe all the viewers have learned a lot from this sharing session. Okay, so thank you very much for your presence in our Focus Point Facebook Live show.
Welcome, Daniel.
Yes. So also, apart from just the products alone, of course they understand more about astigmatism now, as well as the available contact lenses from Bausch Lomb itself. Okay, and also not forgetting, congratulations to all the winners that we have for today. All right. So hope that you will be happy to receive this special Bausch Lomb promotion kit from this quiz questions earlier on. Okay, so please don't forget to contact our customer service in the comment box to see how you can actually redeem these prizes. Okay, so as just a reminder, this Bausch Lomb special kit comprises of one pair of ultra contact lenses with moisture seal, plus a bio-true multi-purpose solution and an organizer. So that's all we have for today. Thank you very much, Joanne, again.
You're welcome, Daniel.
Yeah. So thank you very much, and we hope that you will keep watching us the next week.